Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you my favorite tips and tricks of Windows 10. Welcome to David's Techno. So, today I'm going to teach you my first technique. So, I want to see File Explorer and in Word, I want to also see something. So this is in full screen mode. I have to type items from here in Word. So first I click on this and click on this. You normally would do like this. You would just adjust this. It would take a lot of time. So you can just hold it from the bar and drag it to the right. So they will come a displaying transparent rectangle, and if I go over here it will not. You just touch to the edge and leave it, and I want this downloads page, so I click on it. So both of them are row. Like if I type 1 L 2 L, I can do this all and just select and scroll from here, select this and type beverage. So you can do this all. So first tip is solve. So if you want to now only work on this, you just drag it to the top corner. You could see something coming like a wave. You just hold it and it's gone in full screen mode. My second tip is if there is a clutter of so many windows and you want to only work on one, like a PowerPoint, Excel. I have so much clutter of windows and I want to only work in File Explorer. So I drag File Explorer, shake it a little bit, shake it more, and all the other windows get minimized. So if I shake it again, all the windows are back. Shake it again, I shake it, all the windows are gone. You can see all the windows have been minimized. So you can do this very easily. So I just shake it twice like this. One, two. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After some time, 1, 2, 3, 4. After some time, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will work. And now I will tell you an easier way to go to the desktop. You can click on this top, this little button type thing in the top right down corner. If you keep on cursor on it, you can just take a peek at desktop. But when you click on it, you go at desktop. If you click it again, you come back. So I have another thing you can do for a keyboard shortcut. You have to use Window key and D together. When you do it, so I'm doing it 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm back in desktop. Now I do it again 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm back over here. So this is very easy. Or if you want to change the windows, you can press Alt and the Tab thing on your computer. Alt and Tab. So there comes a list of windows you want to use. So you can just select one. Like I want to do on Microsoft Word. So I go on Microsoft Word and Microsoft Word is displayed. Or I have another keyboard shortcut for that, which you don't have to uh, uh, keep more time. So It is Windows key and tab. So when I clicked on it, all that same thing came with today and the earlier things. So if you have a lot of clutter, like you want some personal work over one place and personal work over one place. So when you are here, I click on new desktop. It has created a new desktop. And on this, when I click on desktop 1, you go back to your real desktop. Now I click Windows key and tab again. So it shows this, but I want to, if I put my cursor here, I come to the items. So I want to put all the Microsoft apps in desktop show. So when you open desktop 2, none of the apps which I had opened there are opened over here. So this is a different desktop from your earlier desktop. So like I want to shift all the Microsoft apps in desktop 2. So I drag this and keep it on desktop 2. It's gone, you can see. Now I do PowerPoint, the same for PowerPoint, for Excel and Microsoft Teams, photos, downloads. So I go in desktop 2 and you can see all the windows are there over here. So now I don't want these all windows to be here and I want to go back and put all the windows over there. So you don't press on this cross or all the windows will get closed. You drag this again inside that. It is very easy. You just drag and drop. Just wait. It is inside. Thanks for watching my video and please subscribe to David's Tech Now. So meet you with a very interesting topic next time.